Hi everyone, welcome to my introduction video. I would like to share with you my goals, plans, and thoughts on how electrical subject can help me to achieve my goals in life. Let's go. One of my goals in life is to become a successful master electrician in power system. I'm passionate about designing and developing efficient electrical system that can power our communities and industries. This semester, I'd like to improve my problem-solving skills in electrical subjects. I'd spend at least 3 hours in 1 week to improve my problem-solving skills, working on projects, reviewing concepts, because I believe that having strong problem-solving skills will not help me in this subject, but also in my future career as a master electrician. All my major subjects is importance because they teaches us the principles of electrical energy like conversion, transmission, and distribution. Understanding this concept will help me design and develop efficient electrical system, which is crucial to achieving my goals to become a successful master electrician one day.